Okay guys, I'm on lunch break and I went in a thrift store and I am just doing this very quickly just to show you guys. I will do an actual video probably tonight. Look at what I got. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Look guys, how amazing is this? Let me see if I can get to the rest of it. Look, I'm sorry about the shadows, but it's the only way I can show you guys the book. Look at this. I am so loving. Look. Anyway, it is an entire book. It is a photograph album. Can you guys believe this? Look. I am loving this. I don't see anything in it has an actual date per se, but I mean you can look at the photos and get an idea of when it was. It looks like the 20s maybe. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I will do I will do an actual flip through for you guys. Oh my goodness, look. Yes, I will do an actual flip through of this for you guys this evening as soon as I get home from work. But I absolutely could not even wait until then to show this to you all. Yes, so there it is, guys. I'll see you all tonight.